Grab the Horns. I'm Daniel Cooper. Glad that you could join us today. What we're going to talk about today is actually what happened last Friday. Last Friday we saw the Dow ended up about 42 points at about 12,004. The S&P was up about 4 points, ended at 1,271. And the NASDAQ ended slightly down. It was at about 2,616, so down about 7 points. Now, looking at these market indexes, it would seem that Friday was a pretty flat day. A couple of the markets were up. However, what we saw is that some of the major tech stocks out there really got hammered. So let's go ahead and take a look at why that happened, and we'll take a little bit further in-depth analysis at the market and the tech stocks in particular. So Friday was anything but flat. In fact, it was a perfect day to trade a few of the big-name tech stocks like Google or Apple. As we can see here, Google ended down 3% or 15 points. To close at the low of the day of about $485. Now, Google made a recent acquisition of a company by the name of Sage TV, but what really brought Google's stock down on Friday was the announcements of damages sought in an Oracle lawsuit against Google. Now, Oracle is suing Google over its Android operating system. Oracle insists that Google is infringing on its Java programming language, and it was released on Friday that Oracle is looking for $6.1 billion with a B dollars in damages from the lawsuit. Now, large corporations are notorious for protecting their intellectual property, some to the point of becoming patent trolls. Java was really created as a programming language about 10 years ago, but it failed to become ubiquitous due to the poor vision and direction of Sun Microsystems. Oracle purchased Sun and is now the owner of Java. Now, instead of providing the market with an innovative product or service, Oracle is really just looking to cash in on the company it bought via lawsuits. While $6.1 billion is a lot of money, that alone isn't going to be something that's going to bring Google down. Google's stock, its 52-week range is around 433 all the way up to a high of about 642. So it's currently trading not too far off of that 52-week low. Bearing more negative news, Google could really see some sort of short-term rebound here and really start to pop. We saw a lot of volatility in the market with Google on Friday. Apple also had some of that volatility. So tech stocks really took quite a beating on Friday. What we're going to see is hopefully those will be able to hit some sort of a rebound and start to track their way back up. As always, we hope that this information was helpful to you, that you can take something away from this. Go out there, go grab the horns.